How does a Counos mobile wallet works? Understanding how a Counos wallet works. A Counos wallet is a secure digital wallet used to store, send, and receive Counos coin, Counos Cash, Counos Silver, Counos Cash, Daric, and altcoin like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dash. Most coins have an official wallet or a few officially recommended third-party wallets, but Counos publish its own wallet, make one multi-coin wallet to customers, can easier change altcoin to Counos and reverse. Below, we discuss how Counos digital wallets work. How does a Counos wallet work? Counos wallet itself is not actually stored in a wallet. Instead, a private key, secure digital code known only to you and your wallet, is stored that shows ownership of a public key, a public digital code connected to a certain amount of currency. So your wallet stores your private and public keys, allows you to send and receive coins, and also acts as a personal ledger of transactions. If you are new to Counos, then either 1. Download Counos Wallet from official Counos website, www.counos.io, and you can find Counos Wallet in Google Play and App Store as well. 2. Sign up in Counos Wallet app and give your private password. After successful download and install Counos Wallet in your smartphone, you can use a wallet. Each time you want to log in to your Counos Wallet should give you your password. 3. If you want to send the amount of Counos crypto coin, you should select one of Counos crypto coin and press Send button, and write your amount in the field, then enter destination's wallet address and press Send button. 4. Due to receiving an amount of Counos crypto coin, you should select one of Counos crypto coins in the main page of wallet and press Copy your unique coin wallet's address and send to your partner. Or you can send QR code of your address as well. Important: never share your wallet password or private key, and never enter your password or private key anywhere, unless you are accessing your wallet via private key and password. To send Counos cryptocurrency coins or receive cryptocurrency coins, you only need to share your public wallet address, your public key. Is Counos Wallet secure? Counos crypto coins wallets very secure. For the more secure Counos app developer, use the second password that one help to the customer more assured security of Counos Wallet. Types of wallets. There are 2 types of wallets you can use. Counos Wallet is a desktop application and a mobile app. Here is a quick breakdown of the different types of Counos crypto coins wallets. Desktop wallet. The most common type of wallet, typically an app that connects directly to a coin's client. Mobile wallet. A wallet that is run from a smartphone app. Tip: a full wallet that downloads the full blockchain of a coin is called a full node wallet. These wallets can take up a lot of space and use a good bit of energy since they need to download the entire blockchain and keep it updated. Counos Core of full node wallets. If you don't have a lot of disk space free to commit to running a node, consider one of the other wallet options instead. Important: remember that with any type of Counos wallet, if you lose your private key, then you lose your money. The reason you lose your keys doesn't matter. There is no way to reclaim your cryptocurrency without them. So make sure to use best practices and keep your wallet secure.